Hi everyone, I'm going to show you in this video how to crochet winter or autumn headband. I chose this yarn for this project. It is 100% natural material. It is yarn from 50% wool and 50% cotton. You will need crochet hook number 6, measure tape, pair of scissors and needle. Also you will need 3 colors of the yarn. So let's get started. Take 1 color of the yarn, make a slip knot and chain 100. This is size for 2 to 3-year-old girl. If you want bigger headband, make more chains. If you want smaller headband, make less chains. I have done 100 chains and now make 4 extra chains. We are going to make just double crochets from now. Start in 4th chain and make 1 double crochet. Then continue making 1 double crochet into each chain to the end. Okay, you can pause the video and meet me back at the end. Make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Now chain 3 and turn your work. In the second row we'll repeat the same pattern from previous row. Start in 1st stitch. Here is 1st stitch and make 1 double crochet. Okay, continue working one double crochet into each stitch to the end. If you want, pause the video again and meet me back at the end of this row. We are at the end of this row. And now make one double crochet into the last stitch. It's the chain from 3 extra chains. That's all. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Okay, make the same piece from other colors. I will make 2 pieces from gray color and 2 pieces from light purple. Then I will show you what to do next. So pause the video and meet me back again. Okay, I have 5 pieces of yarn, and now put pieces of the yarn beside each other. Now take one end of the yarn and needle and join all 5 pieces of yarn together. Just we need to hold them, so don't sew it. Two stitches in one piece, it's enough. Okay, take second strand of the yarn, put it over the third and under the fourth. Now take right strand of the yarn and put it under the gray strand. Take left strand of the yarn and put it under the dark purple strand. Repeat the same to the end. Take a needle and sew the end of the headband. Now sew all the ends of yarn inside. When you will finish it on this side of headband, do it the same on the other side. Last step of this pattern, we need to join both sides together. You can sew it by needle or crochet together by hook. I'm going to take the hook and join it together with slip stitches. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make slip stitch, you need to get your hook through all layers. Okay, that's all. It's done. I really hope you understood well. If not, leave your comment or question here below the video. Don't forget to subscribe and put the thumb up or down. Thank you very much for watching and see you at the next video. Have a great day and bye bye.